Hello everyone, Knight Rider 0215 here. My name's Bob, and we're back to do another video on a bag that I purchased off of selfrelianceoutfitters.com. I'd like to give a big shout out to Dave Canterbury and his team for designing this bag. And like I said, I purchased this bag especially for my Stanley 2-cup cook set and all my hacks. And here is the bag itself. We've got MOLLE webbing on the front, here, 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 and here. And also on the side, there is MOLLE webbing. Here, 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 and up here. And more on this side. And we also have a shoulder strap on it that you can carry over your shoulder if you want. On the front, we have a front zippered pouch that you can put your fire kit in, which I have a spork in here. I have a plastic Yuko spork, and I also have a spoon here with a knife on the other end. There's my fork, and it just fits together very nicely, snaps closed. And here is another one, Yuko titanium spork. Put that back in there. And inside here is my Stanley 2-cup cook set and my hacks. And the top, I have a Sawyer mini water filter that I can use to filter water when I'm in the woods for my Stanley 2-cup cook set or just for drinking. And inside, I have my Stanley 2-cup cook set. I have another Yuko titanium spork. And here is my Stanley 2-cup cook set. I have my stainless steel cup here so I can drink my coffee out of, or tea, or hot cocoa. And inside my cup, I have a green scrubby pad that I can clean my Stanley pot with when I'm done. I can make my soup or whatever in it. I have a cozy on the bottom here. And if you want to see all of these hacks, you can check out Waypoint Survival. James Bender has a video on all of these hacks. These hacks are just what works for me, which I might put more hacks on it later. Inside we have the lid and an eggy ring here on it. So if you want to cook an egg on your lid over the hot coals, you can put some oil on the top of the lid, put your eggy ring here on it, and cook you an egg. Down inside, we have 2 green cups. And the pot. And they nest nicely inside. You still got room to store some things inside. A little bit of coffee, tea. And the lid. I put this key ring on here. I took off the original one because it was plastic and it would probably melt when the lid gets hot. So I just took that off and put that key ring on it. And also inside I have a lid that I purchased at Walmart that will fit on top of the Stanley pot if you want to drink out of it. and it fits nicely right on top. And it's got a drink spout on it right here on the top. And like I said, all of this stuff fits nicely in the pot. Put that back together. So, if you like this video, let me know what you think in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll leave a link in the description box to selfrelianceoutfitters.com. And don't forget to check out James Bender from Waypoint Survival. Don't forget to check out his video on the Stanley 2-cup cook set and all of his hacks. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get the comments going in the comment section. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.